Kia ora, I'm Gad. I'm an engagement advisor here at Whitireia and WelTec. We have a great new app called MyDay at Whitireia and WelTec, which is a great way for students to manage their student life. With MyDay, you'll be able to access your emails and notifications, connect with Moodle, and more. Let me show you how. From the home screen of the app, you'll find tiles and a news feed with useful navigation along the base. This is called your dashboard. Your dashboard works best with your Office 365 connections. Find out more about connecting in mail, calendar, and tasks from the notification in your newsfeed. You can control notifications and settings here. Back on the dashboard is one-click access to either the Whitireia or WelTec Moodle. Remember, you'll only have access to course material for programs you're currently enrolled in. MyDay makes navigation to and from around campus easy, with the quick links to the Whitireia and Petone bus timetable, and maps with campus locations preloaded. Other useful information is in your Bookmarks tab. We've added some handy connections like student support services information, and you can add your own bookmark using the Add New function for things that are useful to you. If you're keen to connect on social, follow our Whitireia and WelTec students page. Facebook is a great way to keep up to date with news, events, and helpful information for you, our Akonga community. So go download it now for all your important Whitireia and WelTec information. Connect via the QR codes on all the posters. Head to the MyDay link in the student guide at whitireiaweltec.ac.nz or connect with the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store after this video. Ka kite!